This little upgrade is one of those why didn't I do it sooner kind of things. This is a heavy-duty two-way hose splitter, and it turns one outdoor faucet into two working hose lines without feeling flimsy. First off, it's made from solid brass, so it feels substantial in your hands, and it's designed to be rust-resistant and freeze-resistant. Now, the part that matters day to day is its full flow. So you're not sacrificing water pressure just because you're running two outlets. Both sides stay strong, which is a big deal when you're trying to water flower beds and keep the lawn happy. And can we talk about these handles? They're extra long metal handles, so you get a really solid grip and easy control. Especially helpful if your hands are stiff or you're wearing gardening gloves. Each side turns on and off smoothly, so you can run one hose, the other, or both. The spacing is also really smart. The outlets are set wide enough so that you can attach bigger attachments like timers. They fit just really awesome without everything bumping into each other. Plus, the 90-degree outlet design helps reduce strain on your connectors, so everything hangs more naturally instead of pulling downward. Real life moment, we only have one faucet out front, and we needed two hoses going at once. Now we leave one hose down at the lower part of our yard, and we keep the other closer to the house, so we're not walking up and down a steep hill that we have out front. Jim and I have both had accidents on that hill, and listen, in our 60s, we don't need that anymore. Now I just walk out the front door, turn the sprinkler on, and boom, watering is set. Friendly reminder, I'm an Amazon influencer, which means I may earn a small commission when you purchase through my link, at no extra cost to you. Your support helps me keep creating cozy, helpful reviews just like this one. Thank you so much.